Hey, what's going on, guys? Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to talk about one of our new products we got coming out. This is a Nano Outer Fairing. It's going to go for 18 plus fat bob. Today we're in the shop. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how to install it on your bike. It's pretty simple, a couple screws. So we'll go ahead and get into the install now. So it's going to come with all the hardware that you'll need. Some tools you're going to need is T40 Torx, a 10 millimeter wrench, and a 4 millimeter Allen, and then you might need a 10 mil socket as well. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the OEM light fairing, and that's done with 2 screws on the bottom here. They're T40 Torx. So we're going to remove these 2 T40s, and there's 2 little tabs up here, and this thing will just kind of slide right out of here. And then at the top, there's these 2 little tabs right here. So what you want to do is just pull it forward a little bit, kind of slide it back and forth, and you can see those tabs there. Next, what you want to do is get a T27 Torx, and you're going to remove this center screw here so we can put our bracket on it. And then you're just going to loosen these 2 on the headlight, just enough so we can pull this forward and get our bracket between here and the forks. So we're going to remove the center one and hang on to it. And then these, we just need to loosen these up enough to get the bracket in between the light bracket and the fork here. So we'll go ahead and pull the light out a little bit here, and we'll take our bracket, slide it down in between here. And then we're going to use the same screw to reinstall it. We'll go ahead and tighten this down, and then we'll retighten our headlight screws. So once you got the bracket on, you go ahead and install the Nano Outer Fairing. It's going to be secured with 2 OEM screws, the same ones that you pulled out of the OEM one. So we'll set the Nano Fairing on here, line up the 2 bottom screws. So then we'll go ahead and tighten these up. Now for this next part, if you do have it on a lift, it might be easier. It's going to be easier if you take it off the lift or out of the wheel chuck so that you can turn the handlebars to be able to get access to the 3rd screw on the top that's going to hold the fairing together. It is a little tricky to get the nut on the back side of the fairing. So like what I did is to hold the nut in the wrench, you can use double-sided sticky tape, you can use a piece of gum. This is just some 3M double-sided foam. I just shoved it in there so that it holds the nut in the wrench like that. And that way when I go to put it in here, it won't fall out. Go ahead and put this on the back side, and then this, you'll come through the front side. And go ahead and tighten it up. After you got your 2 screws mounted down here and your 3rd one on the back, that's all there is to the install.